Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial, and in this video we will see how to install packages in Anaconda Navigator. So for that I have this Anaconda Navigator, and to install any package, first of all we will click on this environments here. Then you will see all the environments which we have created through Anaconda. So now you need to select the relevant environment in which you want to install the package. So for example, I want to install in this demo environment. So I will select this. Now this will take some time to load the packages. So this is finished now. And here you would see that in this drop down, this installed is selected by default, which means that these are the libraries which are already installed in this selected environment. So now let's say we want to install the NumPy library. So we will search for NumPy in this search option. So we can see that we did not get anything in the search result because this NumPy library is not installed currently in this selected environment. So now we will again click on this drop down, and this time we will select this not installed option. So as soon as we selected that not installed option, we can see all the libraries here which has NumPy either in the name or in the description. So let's scroll down a little bit and we will find this NumPy which we are looking for. So now we will select this from here, and now we will click on this apply. So after a while we will get this type of dialog box which is saying that these 7 packages will be installed. And here the packages which are marked with this star are the dependent packages which are required for our NumPy library. And here also it is written that this star indicates that the package is a dependency of the selected package. So these are the dependencies, and this is the NumPy library which we want to install here. So now finally we will click on this apply, which will start the installation, and we can see the progress here. So now this is installed successfully. So let's verify this once, and for that we will again click on this drop down and select this installed, and we have this NumPy here already in this search option. So we can see that NumPy library is here which was not present earlier. So this is the evidence that this NumPy library is installed successfully in this selected environment. So now if you found this video useful, then do hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more such videos. And for free tutorials on multiple technologies, you can check out the video description.